it's your boy Damien Dupee, your #1 off-market land specialist, hyper-focused on the infill lots. If you could be so kind, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, turn your notification bell on. And last but not least, if you find anything valuable from this content, go ahead and drop me a comment. You heard me? All right, so today we're going to be talking about, this is a video that was requested by one of the viewers, and they want to know how to skip trace LLCs. And I wanted to do this video because a lot of people have been asking this question. And also, I'm going to take it a step further, is how to find the phone numbers to these LLCs for the free 99. This doesn't cost you anything, Nathaniel, Nautica, dollars, nothing, okay? So, again, I'm going to jump right into this video. All right, so it just depends on what market you're in. Whatever market you're in, you want to do the state LLC search. So I'm going to do North Carolina LLC search. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. North Carolina LLC search, okay? All right, once you do that, you should see something that comes up like this. I mean, different states will allow you to do different things. I do love North Carolina because they do allow you to pull the filing articles, and also it allows you to get their phone number when they have their phone number on the docs, okay? All right, so as you can see, this is a LLC. And there's another spot we can look for LLCs called open corporates. All right, so you can kind of run both of these tools. This one. All right, boom. See, they came up active. You want to go to view filings or wherever you can see the annual report or the articles. Of course, you want the most recent one. So you can go to page 2 in 2021 annual report. Again, it got the decision maker name, David S. Howie, okay? President, meaning he run the show. He's the head honcho. He's the boss hog. He's the decision maker. You understand? And then got his phone number. So if you ever want to get in contact with him, hey, David, you got a property for sale? I'm trying to buy. All right, another one you can use is open corporates. Let me see how. I think that's the right one. All right, so D&H development, you might got to filter this down by the state. You know what I'm saying? North Carolina. All right, filter it down by the state. Click on this. As you can see, all this person information came up. So these tools are free, 99. Open corporates is nationwide. So, I mean, you can use open corporates. Let me see what it give you on the annual report. All right, it don't give you nothing. All right. But let me see if it give you their name, agent name, okay, president name. Yeah, that's all you need. And then it actually links you to the county Secretary of State. Yeah, perfect. Wow. So open corporates will probably be the winner chicken dinner because it links you right to the county Secretary of State, which is beautiful. And I think it links you to this person's annual report. So let me just try this. Yeah, when I clicked on the link, it did something different. All right, cool. So long story short, no worries. Again, that's the simplest way to find a person, an LLC, whoever the decision maker is, the president. All right, as you can see, you need to be speaking to the president. They the decision maker, not the secretary, not the partner, whoever the president is. If it's a partnership, then any one of the partners will suffice. But if you're trying to find a decision maker, it's typically going to be the president, okay? You tracking with me? All right, second thing is, how do you get in contact with these people? Right here, you got their phone number. But let's just say this phone number is dated. It doesn't work. I doubt it because it's 9/14/2021. So it's probably up to date, ladies and gentlemen. It was just filed 9/30/2021. Always watch your dates. Watch your dates. Watch your dates. You want the most recent date. for the most recent annual report. But any event you wanted to basically get a hold of this guy, there's two sources you can use. One is called Fast People Search, True People Search. And these are free 99, don't cost you a nickel. Nathan, Nautica. I like saying that. True People Search. Alright, so what I typically like to do is reverse address search when the address is not like a suite. As I can see, this is a suite, so I'm not going to do the reverse address search. I'm going to do just the name. And I'm going to put everything as I see it right here. David S. Howie. And of course, I'm going to do Charlotte, North Carolina. Boom. There you go. 363-5637. All right. So he gave us his landline number. And now we got a cell phone number right here. What? So he put his landline number on there. 65 years old. Put his landline on there. And that's the number we got right here. But this is like a cell phone right here. So that's how you would do that. Again, I like the reverse address just because it's quicker. Because when you find someone with multiple names, you typically going to have 20, 30, maybe 40 different people to choose from. And you want to be able to basically reverse address to see anyone who's linked to the address. So I found that to narrow down your search list, so when you're trying to get a hold of somebody, you can get a hold of them. All right, so that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. I hope that was able to help you. Again, short and sweet. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you found anything valuable from that, drop me an emoji, a thumbs up. Appreciate you. Last but not least, I got some goodies in the description. If you want to get a free course, I got a free course down there called Off Market Land Deals. If you need any scripts, any basically anything in regards to JVN, hunting criteria, finding deals, is definitely in the description. If you want to reach out to me, please email me, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of people have been calling me, and I'm telling you, people, please email me. Please email me. It make it a lot better for me because I'm getting a lot of calls, especially with business and or you know, just people just calling me. So again, thank you for watching this video. Appreciate you. On to the next.